The big game is right around the corner, and that means we need to be armed with all sorts of munchies. And rather than serving the same old things, how about making something that promises to be a hands-down winner since it combines two of our all-time favorites, buffalo wings and mac and cheese. Let me show you how easy. We start by combining a package of frozen mac and cheese that we've thawed, along with some diced cooked chicken and a bit of buffalo wing sauce. After this is chilled, using a small ice cream scoop, we scoop it onto a baking sheet, like this. Then into the freezer they go. When they're rock solid like these, we dip them in an egg mixture, then roll them in seasoned breadcrumbs and place them in hot oil until they get crispy and golden. And yes, you can make these ahead of time and simply warm them up in the oven. What we end up with is a fried ball of mac and cheese studded with a taste of buffalo wings. Maybe serve it up with blue cheese dressing for dunking and celery sticks for crunching. To get the recipe for our buffalo chicken mac and cheese balls, all you have to do is visit our website. And it's amazing how good these are. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a 2-in-1 winning way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.